यहाँ मैं देखा तुम्हारी बार बार विंडो बंद हो जाती है ना, कोई बात नहीं है। तो अगर सही चल रहा है तो ठीक है, आ जाओ, अदरवाइज क्विट कर लो, कोई बात नहीं। पहले वो वाली पढ़ाना, पुरानी वाली।
वो आपका ये रखा,
ये वाली।
जल्दी कीजिए। हसन अब्दुल्ला
डू इट फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट।
कीजिए। अच्छा नहीं दे रही, मैं और दे दूंगी।
सोती थोड़ी है, आपका नाइस बेबी है। व्हाई यू क्राई ऑल द टाइम? ब्रेव बॉयज कभी भी क्राई नहीं करते, मैंने बताया ना आपको। आप तो सुपर हीरो हैं। व्हाई यू क्राई?
सही सही।
टू यू सुपर हीरो। Doing yellow color, you can fill the Khane Kaaba box with the black color. So teacher also do with you. And my work is done. Ahmed, I'm not seeing your picture. Abbas, Abbas, look at mine. Abbas. अहमद देखिए, टीचर ने डन कर लिया, फर्स्ट हो गई टीचर। अब्बास
ब्लैक कलर करो, सब में ब्लैक कलर करो। रुक जाओ मैं बता रही हूँ। सही है, अब सब में ब्लैक कलर करो।
वेरी नाइस।
येलो में मिक्स ना हो।
रजा,
येलो में मिक्स ना हो। वो आपकी अभी रुक जाओ, पहले अब्दुल्ला कर ले, फिर गलती हो गई, एक ही पे करवा दिया ना मैंने। करो जल्दी करो अब्दुल्ला। क्या बेटा, कुछ नहीं हुआ, सही है, उल्टा नहीं हुआ। जल्दी कीजिए।
मैंने मिस क्या बोल रही है? बोलते भी नहीं हो, मिस बुला रही है। बना जल्दी स्क्वायर बना के।
2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yes, done. Show me quick. I am waiting.
टीचर आप जैसे गंदा गंदा कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा नहीं, गंदा नहीं करेगा कोई भी ना, कोई भी बेबी गंदा काम तो करता ही नहीं है। They all are very nice. Abbas, good job. Abbas,
हाँ सही है, बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है।
Abbas, this is for you. This is for you. The golden star you got. Very nice. Hassan, where is your picture? Hassan, show me. If you are no issue, but you have to share the picture to me. आपने class में draw किया। You draw the square box and then you
सारा गंदा कर दिया आपने।
the inside strip.
नहीं जरा जल्दी।
Then you make a door of Khana Kaaba. The pictures appear. That is called Khana Kaaba. Khana Kaaba.
जल्दी करो।
It's my request to give the Ahmed Raza. He will draw.
कलर भी करना नहीं हो रहा ना।
Fast. The goat is going waiting for us.
खाने का बना रहे हो आप?
येलो पे ना आए बेटा, येलो पे ना आए। हसन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, डाग डाग नहीं।
I have a sheep and she is waiting. Do work fast. मैंने आपको बोला था ना, अभी हमारे पास एक वर्क और है, so do the making of खाने काबा fast and then we can talk to with our sheep.
अब नीचे वाले
Show me quick.
Oceans such as Pacific, Indian, and Arctic oceans. It consists 48 countries. In Asia, there are 2 countries which are highly populated countries, such as China and India. The attractions of it are the Great Wall of China, Taj Mahal in India, and Bali Island in Indonesia. Here in these pictures, you can see Bali Island, Taj Mahal, and the Great Wall of China. Now I am going to explain Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. It consists of 54 countries. It is the home of the Nile, the longest river in the world. The largest desert in Africa is the Sahara. Attractions of Africa are Victoria Falls and Mauritius.
Fast. You have only 2 or 3.
Europe is the only continent that does not have any deserts. 5 countries. Vatican City, the world's smallest country, is in Europe. One unusual festival in Europe is the Tomatina Festival. It is celebrated in Spain to honor the
Now we
tomatoes.
can do the creative
The
work.
most popular attractions of Europe are Big Ben and Eiffel Tower. South America. There are 13 countries in South America. The highest to be found in South America, Angel Falls. South America is also the home of Anaconda, the world's largest snakes.
आपने कुछ बनाया है, मुझे दिखा रहे, सिलेंडर बनाया, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. Your homework you post in the university. Good job. I must show the canvas to you, and I am giving the canvas. I must clap for Abbas and Ahmed Raza and Anabia too. I must clap. They always submit the
पीछे से करो ना. ठीक है, आने छोड़ो इसको.
well done.
Windiest.
Done हो गया, done. Show me quick, जल्दी.
करो ना.
Okay, you can finish that work and show me in the university. Take the picture and share over there. Fine? Okay. Now stop coloring, everyone, because we are not having much time, na bete?
हाथ से लगाओ.
We have the selective time for class. Very nice. Good job. You can show me. Anabia, show me. जल्दी से दिखाएं कितना किया आपने. Hassan Abdullah, you also show me. Very nice. It should be finished after class. Okay. Hassan, show me. Very nice. Very nice, Anabia. ठीक है, आप क्लास के बाद उसको फिनिश कर लीजिएगा. Very nice, Ahmed. Very good. Hassan, you show your picture. अभी नहीं बनी. ओके, क्लास के बाद बना के फिर मुझे शेयर कीजिएगा. फाइन. Now we creative work of sheep. Look at this.
देखो ये रख गई क्लास में वापस।
Ba. Sheep makes a voice. Ba. It's very easy. You can easily make it. On
पीछे करो।
we need something for making this.
Coldest place on earth.
I show you. I have a cotton bundle that is cylinder in shape. We need cotton. Okay.
Polar bear.
मेरे बाबा गोट भी लेके आया, शीप भी लेके आया, टू लेके आए हैं मेरे बाबा। मेरे बाबा 2 शीप लेके आए हैं।
We need black computer paper.
एक गोट है।
Very good, बेटी. Very good. You can share your picture ना. मैंने तो आपसे कहा था आप अपनी पिक्चर अपने एनिमल के साथ मुझे शेयर करें, but not in the group.
ठीक है, अभी ना बच्चन में ना
That
एनिमल के साथ ना इज्जत करना का है, सीन भेजेंगे।
Now I will mute yourself. Then you can hear me. Fine. अब आप सब मुझे सुनेंगे. We are making this sheep on the card sheet. On this regard, we need cotton. Okay, we need some cotton. We need black computer paper. Obvious for sticking glue. हमें glue चाहिए. And if you want to tie the rope on the neck of the sheep, so you need this rope as well. Otherwise, it's not necessary. You just make a sheep. So first of all, we start our making sheep. First of all, we can take the any card sheet color. We can cut it in the square. Fine. Then we can make a oval shape over there. A small oval shape. Then we can paste glue. I will paste the glue on that shape. And then I take pinch of a cotton piece and then stick. Small pieces of cotton, and we can stick because sheep have wool. Did you hear that poem? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? So this is wool. Fine. Now we can draw the face part and the neck part with the help of black computer paper. It's very easy. Look, I am drawing. I hold my black paper and pencil. First, I make the ear. आपको नजर आ रहा है? ये देखें, बिल्कुल छोटा सा मैंने ear बनाया की तरह. Then I make a part of his face and ear and close this. You can see. Did you see a black paper? इसलिए शायद picture appear नहीं होगी, लेकिन I will show when I cut it. Just a minute. I am cutting with my friend Caesar. Cutting with my friend Caesar. Now it's cut it. See, cut it. Fine. Then we can cut small 4 strips. I take a small piece of paper, black paper, okay, and I am going to cut 4 legs of the sheep. It's straight lines Look, I cut it 4 straight legs. Then what we do, after cutting a strip and the face part, we can connect these things on the card sheet where we paste the glue. First of all, I paste the glue on the face part, glue, paste on the face part, then I look, I stuck in the front side. Fine, front side पे लगा दिया. Then I take a small strips which we cut it, and then we can place the glue and stuck into the downside. 1, 2, then I take third one and paste the glue. 3, and I take 4th one and again paste a glue and then paste it. Look, but we have to make a eyes of sheep as well. If you are having a white color pencil, so you can draw with it, otherwise you can draw with your pencil. Okay, I have a whiteo, so I am using whiteo to show you. How many eyes sheep has? 2 eyes. So I must draw 2 eyes and a smiley lips and a smiley lips. Wow! Our sacrification animal is ready. See, it's ready. How the sheep make a sound? Ba, ba. Now I will unmute yourself and then Miss Ashi will sing a poem for you. Everyone quickly unmute yourself.
Ba.
Ba. Very nice, Anabia. Very nice.
हाँ?
Irsa, what is?
मेरे बाबा
Very
ने
nice.
शीप लेके आए हैं और ना गोट भी लेके आए हैं.
अच्छा. Wow.
sheep कौन
You
कौन
take care of the goat and sheep. You take care. आप look after करते हैं उनको.
हमारी छत पे है.
आज हमने क्या सीखा? We
Two
learned
sheep.
2 things. We learned 2 things.
Goat और
First of all, we make Khane Kaaba with the square shape.
बस.
Second thing, we learned how to make
बस.
cotton and paper. Okay. These 2 things is your homework as well. अब मैं होमवर्क में तमाम बच्चों का वर्क देखूंगी किसी शीप को बनाया और खाने काबा को भी draw किया. Okay, fine. Lisa, you didn't share me the picture of खाने काबा. कहाँ है picture?
टीचर मैं शीप दिखाएं शीप.
शीप दिखाऊं? Okay, ये देखिए. They will do sacrifice on the hut.
बाबा.
On the hut.
Okay, now I am
just singing a poem about the Hajj.
Yes.
Before you start singing,
To
I
Makkah, we will
mute you
all
all.
go to Makkah. We will all go to Makkah on the Hajj. We will all go to Makkah.
Unmute.
We will
Sashi,
all
unmute
go
yourself.
to Makkah. Singing my poem. After Azan, I will sing it.
Okay. Yes, Azan is there.
Okay, now continue our poem now. We will all go to Makkah. We will all go to Makkah. We will go all go to Makkah on the Hajj. We will walk around the Kaaba. We will walk around the Kaaba. We will walk around the Kaaba 7 times. We will walk around the Kaaba. We will walk around the Kaaba 7 times. We will backward in the forward on the Hajj. We will backward in the forward on the Hajj. We will backward in the forward. We will backward in the forward. We will backward in the forward on the Hajj. We will drink the Zamzam water on the Hajj. We will drink the Zamzam water on the Hajj. We will drink the Zamzam water. We will drink the Zamzam water. We will drink the Zamzam water on the Hajj. We will sacrifice for Allah on the Hajj. We will sacrifice on Allah on the Hajj. We will sacrifice for Allah. We will sacrifice for Allah. We will sacrifice for Allah on the Hajj. We will all go to Makkah. We will all go to Makkah on the Hajj. We will all go to Makkah. We will all go to Makkah on the Hajj. Now, this is my second poem about Hajj. Everyone sing with me, okay? Allah, Allah, here I come on my journey to do Hajj. Allah, Allah, here I come on my journey to do Hajj. With a pure heart in ihram, with a pure heart in ihram, to fulfill your command, to fulfill your command. Allah, Allah, accept my Hajj. Allah, Allah, accept my Hajj. You are truly the best of judge. You are truly the best of judge. I am learn again. Allah, Allah, here I come. Allah, Allah, here I come. On my journey to do Hajj. On my journey to do Hajj. With a pure heart in ihram. With a pure heart in ihram. To fulfill your command. To fulfill your command. Allah, Allah, accept my Hajj. Allah, Allah, accept my Hajj. You are truly the best of judge. You are truly the best of judge. Yes.
Jazakallah, Miss Ashi. You
Thank you.
saying very well this poem. Inshallah, on the next class, we start the Talbiya. Okay? And this is the translation of Talbiya basically. Very good, Miss Ashi. I must give the star to you. So, Miss Turfa and Miss Noori both are here. I think first of all, Miss Turfa will do something. Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum
Walaikum
assalam.
How are
How
you?
are you all?
We all are fine and enjoy the class.
Very nice. I am fine too. Okay, today I am going to show you something very interesting. Okay. Okay, first tell me who gave us eyes? Eyes किसने दिए हमें? Who gave us eyes? Allah Ta'ala. Yes, Allah Ta'ala gave us eyes. Allah Ta'ala gave us so many blessings, na? Allah Ta'ala gave us eyes. So what should we say? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Allah Ta'ala, for giving us eyes to see your beautiful creation. Yes. Thank you, Allah Ta'ala, for giving us eyes to see your creation. So what should we say? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. And now tell me who gave us food?
Allah Ta'ala gave us food, na? Yes. So we should say Alhamdulillah. Say it loudly. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Allah Ta'ala gave us food when we are hungry. जब हमें बहुत भूख लगती है तो अल्लाह ताला हमें food देते हैं. Okay. So we should say Alhamdulillah. Okay. What should we say, Abbas? Abbas, what should we say?
Abbas, you can unmute yourself.
Yes. Alhamdulillah. Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Very nice. Now tell me, who gave us water? Who gave us water? Allah Ta'ala gave us water. Yes, Allah Ta'ala gave us water and it's a very big blessing of Allah. So what should we say? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Thank you Allah Ta'ala for giving us water to drink and make wudu. Yes, when we do our prayers, we have to do wudu first, na? So we use water for that, and water is a big blessing of Allah. Okay, what should we say? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Yes, very nice. Good job. Okay, now there is a one rhyme of Alhamdulillah. Do you guys want to listen? Do you guys want to listen the rhyme of Alhamdulillah? Okay,
Yes,
now
teacher.
let's listen the rhyme.
Omar and Hannah. Alhamdulillah.
Breakfast is ready.
Yay!
Let's say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. What's that, Daddy?
Alhamdulillah means all praises and thanks be to Allah. Let us all say Alhamdulillah.
I say Alhamdulillah. And then I say Alhamdulillah. All our praises and thanks be to Allah. Alhamdulillah.
Everyone listen carefully.
Mommy, we're leaving now.
Okay.
Oh, hi friends. Anna and I are going to school. Let's go together. Let's go. We go to school, Alhamdulillah. We meet our friends, Alhamdulillah. We play together, Alhamdulillah. All our praises and thanks be to Allah, Alhamdulillah. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Daddy. I love Mommy, Alhamdulillah. I love Daddy, Alhamdulillah.
We love our family. Alhamdulillah.
All our praises and thanks be to Allah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Jazakallah. It's very nice.
Wow, very nice poem. You guys enjoyed it?
Yes.
Yes?
Show your thumbs up to teacher.
Okay, very nice. Now Miss Iram is going to tell you what you guys are doing next. And Allah Hafiz from my side.
Thank you, teacher, and Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Now Miss Noori is there with us. Assalamu alaikum, Miss Noori.
Walaikum assalam.
How are
Assalamu
you?
alaikum to all. Hello. Can you wave your hand if you're listening to me? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So you did Alhamdulillah today.
Yes.
Now everybody say Alhamdulillah. Can you say Alhamdulillah? Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Say yes.
Alhamdulillah, we are thankful to Allah Ta'ala that we are able to study. We are able to learn new things. Okay? Very nice. Okay, so now we are going to start our reading. Do you have your storybooks with you? Can you please show it to me? Do you have your storybooks? Yes, thank you so much, Abbas. Abbas have it. Yes. Do you have it, Irsa? Can you please all take out your storybooks? Take your storybooks and we will start reading. Okay? So, which storybook we were reading? Who is going to tell me the name of the storybook? Can you tell me? Yes, we were reading The Pancake. Which storybook we were reading? The Pancake. Yes. And today we are going to read it. But can I ask your teacher to open your mics? Will you be nice? Okay. No, I know you can, but I'm asking students that will they be nice? Okay. We are not going to shout. We are not going to shout. We are not going to talk. We are only going to read it. Okay. Thank you so much. Ms. Adam, you can open their mics now.
Yes.
अम्मा ये इससे क्यों आती है? तभी उन्होंने वो बंद.
Okay. So what is the name of your storybook?
The Pancake.
The Pancake. Good job. I'm only able to listen Abbas voice. Very nice. We are not going to talk freely. We are not going to talk. We are not going to talk. We will read only. Now, please, everybody. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, now we are going to start. Read our storybook. What is the name of our storybook? The Pancake. What is the name of our storybook? The Pancake. Very nice. Okay, now open your storybook. The
frying pan.
Very good. Very good. The frying pan. Can you read one more time? The frying pan. Please read it one more time. The frying pan. Very nice. Now, can you please turn the page? What is written over here? The flour, the egg.
Flour, the eggs.
जब मैं वो निकालने का क्यों निकाला?
टीचर ये पढ़ा रही है ना.
The egg.
Flour, the eggs.
Yes, very nice. Thank you so much. Now please turn your page. Can you read it? The milk.
टीचर पढ़ा रही है ना.
The butter.
The milk.
The milk.
The butter.
The butter. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, now we are going to. Very good. Now we are going to turn the page. Can you tell me what is it? Pancake. Very nice.
No,
Very
Hassan
nice.
Abdullah, don't make a noise.
Pancake. The pancake. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now, what is it? The pancake race. Pancake race. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Thank you so much. And now we are going to read the words. Okay? Will you read? Will you read with me? Will you read the words with me? So, who is going to tell me which word is it? Which word is it?
Mom.
Mom.
Mama.
Very nice. Very good. And which word is it?
Dad.
D is for dad. Very nice.
Dad.
Very nice. And B is for which word is it? Biff. Very nice. Biff. And which word is it? Chip. Very good. Good job. Chip. Very